So in this video, I am going to discuss about the shear modulus or modulus of rigidity. So this is also a type to measure the elasticity of the material. Okay. So what is the formula for modulus of rigidity? We can say that it is eta equal to tangential stress by shearing strain. Okay. So what is tangential stress? So tangential stress, so we know that stress is equal to force per area. So it is a tangential, so I can just represent as a T. So this is my tangential stress. And what is the value of shearing strain? Shearing strain, already we discussed about the different types of strain, volumetric strain, longitudinal strain and shearing strain. So I can say that the shearing strain is equal to theta. Okay, so tangential stress, we know the stress equal to force per area and we can represent as a T. And what is the shearing strain? Shearing strain we can represent as a theta. Okay, so now what is the modulus of rigidity? I can write that eta equal to tangential stress, so I can write F by A and by theta. So what is F by A? So I can write this is the T divided by theta. So my modulus of rigidity is equal to T divided by theta. Okay. So this is the formula for modulus of rigidity. So in this video we discussed about, in our earlier video we discussed about the longitudinal strain. It means Young's modulus of elasticity, and we also discussed about the bulk modulus of elasticity. So Young's modulus of elasticity is basically the normal stress divided by longitudinal strain. The volume bulk modulus of elasticity is basically the normal stress divided by the volumetric strain, and the shear modulus of elasticity is the tangential stress divided by shearing strain. And basically all this type of modulus is used to measure the elasticity of different objects. Okay, so I think you understood what is why we use this Young's modulus, bulk modulus and shear modulus, basically to measure the elasticity of the different object and different material.